I thought somebody might be interested in this. I didn't capture the whole thing, but this was the outer wrapping of this Microvision. I'm out in the sun now, so I took that off. It was sealed for the most part. The wrapper had pulled back a little bit, but I tore it. So I'm gonna open this up for the first time ever, so you can see what a brand new. So you got that. You've got this coupon thing. Let's check this out. This is an advertisement of the games that come with it. And then this here, I guess it's a survey card. I don't know if that opens up or not. It may open up. Yeah, I'm not going to tear into it. Here's the original game booklet. And here's the actual unit itself. It's hard to tell if that screen is still good or not. It may be, but put all this stuff back in here. Yeah, I bought this. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but I ended up deciding I'm just going to go ahead and play it and enjoy having a brand new one. Let me know if anybody that happens to find this video would like some more content about this. This is different than my usual fare.